Next is Mr. Cade Bigham.
So my career choice is manufacturing and mechanical engineering. So with this job, you design, build, test different ideas and products, which, I want to clarify, it is not one degree. I will be going for a bachelor's in mechanical, which, there we go, in mechanical engineering, and a one-year concentration for manufacturing. And maybe I can go with the programs that are at University of Tennessee at Martin, which is where I want to attend in West Tennessee. You can go for each engineering focus, you can go like per year, different concentrations. So if I think I want to do something with mechanical engineering, not mechanical, electrical, I can go for another year because I have all the necessary courses based off me having the bachelor's in mechanical engineering. I will also be going through the entrepreneurship that Martin offers. The pay for a mechanical engineer averages $55,000 to $110,000 yearly, and manufacturing $55,098. It just depends, with an average of 40 hours, but you can go up to 60 if you so desire. Benefits: you have medical, dental, vision, insurance, and then you've got vacation, sick leave, and then you also have 401ks and IRA plans. Locations that some places I could work: Oak Ridge has their national laboratory, because what I would really like to do involves around 3D printing, which I'll explain later, and they do a lot with 3D printing there. And then MTech 3D in Knoxville and Branch Technology. My budget, I have $460 controllable per month with an income of $200 and fixed expenses of $1,120, which leaves me a deficit of $1,380. So I will need some scholarships for that amount. Future plans: again, I will be attending Martin, but from there, I want to acquire a position at a 3D printing company that relates to hopefully houses, which is what Branch Technology does. And so from there, start my own 3D printing housing business. And then the benefits of 3D printing housing is there's less people involved, so it is more efficient and just in general cheaper, because you don't have to deal with like workers being slow or just finding employees, which is now a problem. Also, another benefit is I think this will be helping with the housing crisis, because this is something they're doing in China right now, because they can print houses a whole lot faster with the machines which they have. They're testing this in Austin, Texas, and Chattanooga, which is where Branch Technology is located. They are a 3D printing housing company. And then from there, metal 3D printing can be done in homes, which will make that also more affordable. This is an example of a 3D printed house that was created by Habitat for Humanity. Not all of it is 3D printed, but from there you can see the main structure of the house is 3D printed. And they use a concrete composites, but some companies do use a plastic shell that they fill in with different materials. Are there any questions? Okay. Yes, Joe.
What would your backup plan be if this career didn't work out?
So I will have the degrees in mechanical and manufacturing engineering, so I will have a job somewhere. Those are highly sought after positions that a lot of people, they just can't fill now. So, but preferably I would like to have the housing business. So if that doesn't work out too immediately just because of money and things like that, I will take a position at one of the companies, and from there, hopefully get in a position to where I can start that company.
Thank you.
What's your personal experience with like running a business, since you want to open your own business?
So I have for 4 years done a custom 3D printing and laser engraving business and a landscaping business. And so I have just expanded slowly, and I make just custom products and for local businesses. I've got about 35 businesses and have an online store.
So why UT Martin?
So they have, with their engineering program, you can go for those 4 years in like your main engineering and get the bachelor's, but their program has the like specialized, like it's almost like a course to where you can, with those 3 base years of education related to engineering, then what your last year you do senior projects, the big thing in your focus area. So mechanical has its own, civil has its own, electrical, and so from there you have those 3 base years, and you go for that year to get your bachelor's. And then if I want to go, because I'm going into manufacturing, I can go for that just 1 year. And lots of schools don't have something set up like that.
And you're also going because that's where your sister goes and you gotta protect her. Anybody else?